Sagittarius, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong second half ng 2024, July to December. Ayan. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. So, let's see, Sagittarius, what's coming to you second half ng 2024. What is your overall energy? The Nine of Cups. Wow, optimism. Ganun naman ang mga Sagittarius. Very positive ang outlook nila. Okay? So, you are going to find happiness, contentment in your situation ngayong second half ng 2024. I also see travel opportunities for you. Ipupurso mo yung mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo. This is also wish fulfillment. Maganda rin yung kalagayan ng inyong kalusugan. Lalo na kung kayo ay very active, no? Sa sports, active sa pagpunta sa gym, pag-workout, mga exercise, ganyan. Some of you, pwede rin kayo ay, meron kayong kukuning alaga, no? Can be a bird, a pet bird, parrot, ganyan, or pusa, or aso. Let's see your possible challenge. You have the Ace of Cups. Okay, so yung iba sa inyo, maaring merong magre-reach out for reconciliation or pwedeng magsusorry. So, ang challenge dito is if you are willing to accept the apology ng person na to. Yung iba naman, pwedeng merong potential romantic connection or feelings for someone, pero yung iba, dinideny. Oo. Yung tipong meron kang nagugustuhan, pero inisip mo, no, hindi yan. Baka crush lang yan. Pero as time passes by, nade-develop yung feelings. Okay, let's see your opportunity. You have the Four of Pentacles, financial stability. Meron kayong opportunity na mas makapag-ipon ngayon, mas dadami yung savings mo. Maaring mas marami ka ngayong sources of income, kaya mas maraming ipon. So, financial security rin. Kumbaga, for you, you want to secure your future, yung future ng family mo, mga anak mo, kung may mga anak ka na. Let's see your blessing. What's the blessing for Sag? Wow, the world. Diba, nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, your travel opportunities. Ayan. So, merong travel opportunities. You will be blessed with like abundance elsewhere to the point na kaya mong pumunta sa maraming lugar. Yung you have more than enough na para ma-spend mo sa pagta-travel. Yung iba, if you are working abroad, mas maganda yung magiging situation mo dyan financially. Meron ka ring mako-complete na project or task. Pwedeng sa trabaho to na magiging very successful yung kalalabasan. Some of you, pwede rin ang isa sa blessing ninyo is a romantic partner, pwedeng foreigner, or taga-ibang bansa, no? Nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa, na magsisimula na connection para sa inyo. And also, yung mga pinaghirapan ninyo, trinabaho ninyo, na mga in-effortan ninyo na work, ayan, makikita nyo agad yung resulta niyan, yung rewards niyan sa inyo. It's going to be rewarding. Okay? So, let's see. Let's clarify what is the Nine of Cups. Ano tong fulfillment na to? What is this Nine of Cups? The Father of Swords. I feel like, sa school, sa mga pinag-aaralan mo, pwedeng meron kang mga bagong kaalaman, no, na you will feel na, uy, I'm confident. No? You will feel confident about it, na you know a lot. Pwedeng you will do some research, learning new things. Pwede rin meron kang achievement, no, na tipong, yung iba, di ba, kahit na 60 years old na, pinupurso pa rin nila yung schooling. Tapos makikita mo, board passer na sila, yung mga ganun. So, some of you meron kayong ma-achieve na like a big achievement sa school, sa higher education. Yung iba rin sa inyo pwedeng merong fulfillment sa work dahil merong kayong leadership role. Pwedeng may promotion. You have the Eight of Pentacles as one of your challenge. Siguro yung iba sa inyo, pagdating sa pagiging consistent, sometimes you feel na you are pushing yourself to your limit. Na tipong, okay, meron kang goal, tapos gusto mo makuha agad yan. Tapos parang dino-double time mo yung pagtatrabaho. Pero may mga success kasi or resulta na hindi nakukuha overnight. So, pwedeng meron kang mga, isa sa challenge mo is yung patience. Be more patient sa mga goals mo. Kasi kung consistent ka naman sa ginagawa mo, makukuha mo pa rin naman yung resulta na gusto mo. What is the Four of Pentacles? You have the Mother of Wands. Wow. So, some of you pwedeng may opportunity kayo na makapag-migrate sa ibang bansa or migrate sa ibang lugar na gustong-gusto nyo na doon tumira. Example, yung gusto nyo mag-relocate sa Siargao or sa Batangas, tapos let's say nasa city ka, nakatira, no, sa Manila. Yung gusto mo mag-relocate sa province dahil mas maganda yung location, mas hindi ganun ka-crowded. So, may opportunity ka dyan. 10 of Wands. Okay, a lot of responsibilities for you. Kumbaga, yung blessing mo na to will take you a lot of responsibilities. So, at least, di ba, kahit na marami kang kailangan gawin, marami kang kailangan asikasuhin, at least you are blessed. Dahil hindi lahat nabibigyan ng opportunities na ganun kadami. So, syempre kailangan dyan na ma-manage mo yung oras at panahon mo. Okay? Para lahat mapanindigan mo. You are meant to be successful, Sagittarius. So, definitely, there's success. Adulting, yung iba sa inyo, you will live on your own. Kung kayo yung nakatira pa sa parents nyo, kayo ay mag-move out, no, para maging independent, to live your life. Or tinan mo, meron ditong suitcase. So talagang more on travel kayo. Lalo na sa trabaho, pwedeng ang nature ng work nyo is to travel or merong mga incentives sa trabaho for you to travel. Ang daming yung responsibilities, Sagittarius. But I think this is going to be worth it. Worth it to for your career, for your finances, for your business. Kasi at least, no, kahit na marami kang kailangang asikasuhin, marami kang kailangang gawin, well compensated ka naman. You have the Page of Wands, a lot of adventures. There's also good news coming in para sa inyo, no? Pagdating sa trabaho. So, I think yung iba, ayun nga, you're going to step into a new role, no? Pwedeng leadership role sa work. Let's see your love life. Options. Oh, marami kayong options. So, nasa sa inyo kung bibigyan nyo ng pagkakataon pa ang isang person from the past to be part of your life. Kahit na meron ka namang options na, to live your life on your own. Yung iba naman sa inyo, you feel like ito yung best option na ayusin yung relationship mo with your person. There's 3 of Wands. I think, yung iba na merong relationship na long distance, pwede kasing nagkaroon lang ng misunderstanding, miscommunication. Mahirap talaga kasi yung LDR, 'di ba? Maraming mga hindi nagiging successful na relationship because of that. Of the yung distance ninyo sa isa't isa. But I feel like someone is going to reach out. Mag-e-effort to para maayos yung relationship nyo. So, pwedeng ikaw to or the person that you're dealing with. Wow, you are moving in together. O tipong, okay, malayo kayo sa isa't isa. Tapos ngayon, pwedeng ikaw pupunta ka na dun sa place ng person mo. O yung person mo pupunta sa place mo para magkasama na kayo physically. You have the moon. The moon is about your emotions. So, I think heightened yung emotion mo ngayong second half ng 2024. You will be more expressive of your feelings for your person. Maaring pareho kayo. And mas magiging strong din yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo, no? Na pagdating sa mga decision making mo, alam mo kung ano yung makakabuti para sa inyong relationship. Oh my God, yung iba sa inyo may birth, giving birth. Pwedeng may pregnancy, oo. Yung iba naman, this can mean a new, parang bagong sisimulan eh. It's like you're going to launch a new career or a new business. You have Saturn in Taurus in the second house, ostentation. You may pwede kang maka-attract ng mga jealous people, no? Maiinggit sa mga achievement mo sa buhay. So, ito yung time na medyo mag-lay low ka sa mga piniflex mo. But of course, still it is your choice. Kasi syempre, kanya-kanyang intentions naman yan kung bakit natin gustong i-show off yung mga yung ating mga achievements, 'di ba? Pero meron kasi mga tao na it's either they are happy for your blessings or your achievements or they are jealous of it, no? So ingat na lang sa mga evil eye, okay? Wow, so much passion. Light up your life by honoring your deepest desires. Wow. So some of you, Sagittarius, ipupurso nyo ang inyong passion ngayong second half ng 2024. Okay? Whatever will make you feel happy, fulfilled sa inyong mga gusto na gawin. Okay? So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye.